Hey y'all, I'm back. Well, the fridge is in. I'm not gonna lie. This roller mechanism is a little barbaric, but it works. Yeah, I know I got a little bit of adjusting to do with the whole how far back it goes and all that. That's what the latchers are gonna do. But it's back in here, and because of the way I built the roller mechanism, there's now a couple inches of space between the fridge and the cabinet. I might put me a slide out table in there. Not this weekend, but you know, that'll give me a little while to think it over and figure out how I'm going to do it. But the fridge is back in and plugged up. It sat out here in my buddy's yard for several hours, and the fridge is at 45 and the freezer's at 23. But several hours unplugged, that's actually not bad. So yeah, it's back in. It's going to roll around freely, but I ain't going nowhere tonight. Tomorrow I'll probably get the latch assembly put on there and get it all adjusted to where it sits correctly. And it does wibble wobble sideways a little bit, but it rolls a lot better than it didn't before. Anyway, I'm gonna hop over here and enjoy me a cold beverage. I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.